Hello, we are back yet again for week number 4 of the Fiber Gifts. So without any further ado, we'll just see what's inside. It's extra cool. I already know about it. Yeah. So we have this beautiful, trying to get all of them in my arms. This is not all of the colors, but this is all that I have in my box. This is Handspun Hope. So this is a beautiful 100% organic merino yarn that is hand spun by some folks in Rwanda and hand dyed there as well with natural dyes, which is important to know. So you can see all these beautiful colors. And something I find so charming about it is you can see the little hand spun inconsistencies in there. I think it's so nice. And it adds just such a warmth and just makes me so happy. But these are going to go on sale for, you know, a week, just like everything else. And then also it's going to be on sale on November 6th. Have a lot of numbers in here. But yeah, check them out. You can knit with them, you can crochet with them, you can weave with them, you can do whatever you want. Any yarn, sort of anything. You can do anything that you like. But they're really nice. They're nice and next to skin soft because it's merino, of course. Not all merinos are made equal, but this one is awfully nice, so check them out.